Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making crab cakes. You will need 1 pound of crab meat, 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of parsley flake, 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of ground mustard. For the remoulade sauce, you'll need 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of horseradish, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of capers, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1 shallot, and vegetable oil for frying. To make the sauce in a food processor, add the shallot, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and your horseradish. Now add the Dijon mustard, capers, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and hot sauce. Blend all your ingredients until well incorporated. Transfer your sauce to a bowl, then refrigerate until later. In another bowl, combine the egg, mayonnaise, Old Bay seasoning, and ground mustard. Add your breadcrumbs and parsley flakes, then whisk until well combined. Now add your crab meat and butter, then mix until well combined. Now form your mixture into patties, then set them aside. Add your oil to the pan, then using medium-low heat, bring your pan to temperature. Slowly and evenly fry your cakes until they are golden brown on both sides. These restaurant-style crab cakes are easy to make and they taste delicious. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grab